Hey, welcome back. We have no food. Good, okay. Well, that's good to know. Cheese grinder. Ow. Just, I'm also that scary looking thing. For you that don't know, I have 5 siblings. It's disastrous up here. Also, I could get out that window. Oh my goodness. What's that thing? Keep calm, carry on, boy. Mom? That's bad. My mom's supposed to be painting this room. And it's bad. It sucked. Well, it still do hurt though. Sorry about the wind, if y'all can. It sucks. Well, this is this. Oh my god. Oh, that's good. Well, go. Ready? Can I make this? Magic. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna make this. Ready? Yeah, okay, I airballed that. Oh, and I'm also right-handed, so. Oh, crap. Ready for this? Yeah, I'm the best at basketball. The best at my school, at least. I'm sitting on this dirt bike. Hey, just my baby sister. Oh, no. No. There she is. Hello, say hi to the camera. She doesn't get it. Sorry if you can't see my face. My hat keeps the sun on. You should be able to. Oh. Way up. Yeah. Huh? YouTube. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'm Snapchatting him right now. Huh? He's up at his grandma's in Fort Smith. Yeah. He's when we were in Fort Smith, I met up with him at the mall. Yeah. By the food court. Ugh. Okay, I got you. Oh, and Chris is my best friend that's in 5th grade. I'm in the 6th grade, he's in 5th grade. And his parents died about 2 weeks ago. So, I mean, it's bad. They had a car wreck. It was super bad. So he was living across the street. Just, his parents died and his grandma and he just went and lived with her at Poto for a little while. And then he went to Fort Smith, which I don't get to see him anymore. And it's just bad. That's why I keep in touch with him a lot. Yeah. Oh, buckets. I think that's what they say, isn't it? Buckets. Bucket. Oh, yeah. As soon as I turned the camera, I stopped making them. And I kicked it. Oh, crap. I gotta go find my baby sister. Hello. You know what? Hmm? Thank you. Thank you very much. Take it out. Oh, you don't need. Oh, my lips are so bad. What happened? Where?
It was calling usually up that way. It was calling to me.
He said there's a poisonous spider on it. Look, you're good.
Well,
Hold on. I'm gonna take off on it for a second. For you, it's vlogging and driving on a mini dirt bike. Woohoo! Oh, there's no brakes on this thing. Or since I can't use brakes since I have my camera. Yeah, in a neighbor's yard. Ooh, that's a nice car. I don't know. It's gonna be. This video takes like an hour. I hate how it does that. Well, I think we're right back. Still riding that mini motorcycle. Oh crap. Mm.